Hereby once again we have assembled, and this time pandemic COVID-19 have brought us on one platform of discussing the consumption and it's the collaboration with statistics. It is one of the term, ये एक वो तरीका है जिसमें हम numbers को assess करते हैं that what is the requirement of the demand, what commodities and goods are required, in which quantity it is required. So it is connected to statistics because it is a number expressed. So as to analyze what is the requirement, how much quantity required, what is the demand, and for what the consumer is looking for, what will deliver him satisfaction, and in how much quantity. Every question has a numbers term to be answered. To have the quantity analysis, we marks it the consumption purpose in statistics. So hereby we were going to discuss it in this aspect. So warmly welcome you in new phase of learning this pandemic COVID-19 plus. Consumption, one term which means to say that we need a commodity to satisfy our requirement, and this means deriving out the utility from the consumption product or good or any service rendered. इट इज़ अ टर्म, एक तरीका है जिसमें हम कंजम्पशन को यूटिलाइज करते हैं एक टर्म के तौर पे विच मार्क्स यू विद द इनकम. इनकम क्या तो हम आज ही कंज्यूम कर लेंगे, otherwise it will be saved and further going to be invested and then going to generate future income. Either you will deliver with satisfaction or otherwise future income from the consumption of income. Dear scholars, once again we have assembled and this time we will discuss the phases statistics. And this time we are discussing economics terms which are part of statistics, which we have to analyze. And this time the phase will be discussing out the first thing, which is the common factor of economics, that is consumption. Consumption means derived, and what we derive? Satisfaction. Out of the output we have used, जो चीज़ हमने कंज्यूम की है उसमें से मिलने वाला satisfaction. This means utility acquired. और हमने वो क्यों की है? To fulfill our needs. हमने अपनी ज़रूरतें पूरी करने के लिए एक प्रोडक्ट को यूज़ किया है और वो कहलाएगा कंजम्पशन. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें उससे क्या चाहिए? सेटिस्फैक्शन. और वो सेटिस्फैक्शन हम कहाँ से ले रहे हैं? जो आउटपुट हमने प्रोड्यूस किया है, प्रोडक्शन की है, और उस प्रोडक्शन में से क्या डिराइव करेंगे? यूटिलिटी. हम उसमें से एक टर्म डिराइव करेंगे, दैट इज यूटिलिटी. क्योंकि हमें क्या चाहिए? फुलफिल ऑफ आवर नीड्स. सो द स्टैटिस्टिक्स टर्म कंजम्पशन विल चेक इट आउट द न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू. न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू हम कंजम्पशन की चेक करेंगे. क्यों चेक करेंगे? क्योंकि फिर हमें ये मालूम करना होगा ना कि व्हाट विल बी द डेराइव सैटिस्फैक्शन या यूटिलिटी एक्वायर्ड. सो दैट विल बी एक्सप्रेस्ड इन द टर्म्स ऑफ न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू. नंबर गेम होगा वहां पे, तो हमें वो शेड्यूल बनाना पड़ेगा. सो दैट शेड्यूल विल बी रिलेटेड टू न्यूमेरिक टर्म एंड न्यूमेरिक टर्म्स डील्स विद द स्टैटिस्टिक्स. So hereby we will going to acquire what? We will calculate satisfaction and utility, and then one table and one schedule will be constructed that we will learn in economics. So it is a numeric term, number game, so we have to learn it in the terms of satisfaction and utility in statistics. So we consume the output to have satisfaction, and that is called utility acquiring to fulfill our need, that is consumption. So hereby we are concluding it for this session.
Introducing A new way to garden. Miracle Grow Performance Organics. An organic plant food that really works fast, helping plants grow twice as big organically. Harness the power of nature for amazing results. Gardens need love and Miracle Grow.
Consumption is the first basic point which need to be done because it has to be analyzed, and this will analyze or evaluate the market demand. So the ultimate first function or the first exercise which performed in economics is the acceptance of the product. If your product is delivered in market, whether it will have consumer or not, firstly this question have to be answered. So the consumption function is the first activity for the analysis, and this time we deal in quantity, how much it is required and what will be our profit for the producer side. So we have to get it assembled. So hereby we are concluding for meeting it again.